Jeez, it's been forever. Took way too long to get my laundry started. I'm gonna be pissed with me when they get back. Fuck. Alright, let's get this over with. Second. Alright, put away and start. Now I wait for it to be done. Then I get everything out. God. This is the false basket as well. I still have another one to go. Alright, all done. Start getting everything out. Ugh. Jeez. Full set. And great, there's one sock all the way at the bottom. I hate altering my back out of hold so much. Well, probably should look into it now that I think about it. As I talked all, I don't know. This back pain only really started recently. Wait. Wow, I'm actually fucking stuck. I mean, how's I even walk? There's too much weight on front, so I can't lean back. Great. This is the most embarrassing thing I've ever had to be in. And uncomfortable, actually. God, my back hurts. When did they say they're gonna come back? I don't even remember. I thought they said something like, what, an hour ago? An hour ago, they said, I'm gonna be off another half hour. God. Huh? Wait, what? Hey, someone unlocking the door already. What the hell? Who is that? Why do I say that surprised? I think being in this position is gonna be a little bit delirious. Shit. Hey, can you hear me? I don't know if you even can. My face is so goddamn deep in this piece of shit. I was trying to get laundry done. I've kind of been a little bit lousy on it. I know you can agree with me on that, but I'm fucking stuck now. Hey. So the grip on my hips there. Fuck. Don't just rip me out like that. Jesus Christ. That hurt. No, I'm fine. I'm alright. It just hurt a lot. God. Anyway. Ugh. Thank you again. Oh, nothing. Nothing. Dude. Yeah, nothing. The way they grab me by the hips, why that feel good? No, there's nothing. It's fine. Alright, nothing's going on. I was just dazing off. Sorry. I'll Can you help me get the last sock? I think I'm gonna get stuck if I try to reach for it again. Thank you. How come you have better lower weight? When I got in there, I was stuck. I couldn't move back. Oh. Yeah, you might be taller, but that. Okay, yeah, it does mean something. Means like, well, reaching there, if I had to lean in, whatever. God, why you? You know, really nice actually. You know, I mean, I'll be honest. I kind of used to depend on some awful people, so I'm kind of not used to getting actual assistance whenever I get stuck like that. I mean, like not like the how most images show it, but like I mean, they would just kind of tease me and whatnot. Like yeah, they would make jokes about those videos, but they wouldn't help me out at all. In fact, actually, I think one of as much as they didn't do what those videos show, one of them actually did just smack my fucking ass and then not help me until like later when he needed to get to it. I'm still confused if that guy was purposefully sexual to me or not, or if that was just his way of being an asshole. I digress. I shouldn't care about that anymore. I'm glad I'm no longer with them, and I'm with somebody like you. Somebody that's a little bit more decent. I know it's hard to believe that, but seriously, I legitimately was with some people that were awful like that. Like, I don't know. I was honestly assuming something similar was gonna happen. Like yeah, I'd get helped out, but I thought I would have to do something other than just finish up my chore. But actually, speaking of which, I'm gonna finish up on that. Huh? Hey. Oh. Okay. Wait, what? You'll do it for me? Why? It's like mostly my laundry. Like, it's almost all my clothes and whatnot. You don't know. Oh, yeah, I guess I would get stuck again, wouldn't I? Oh, yeah, it is kind of common with me. I'm a little bit too short, so I always get stuck when I'm trying to reach in there for the straggling stuff. If there's anything left on the bottom, I'm basically hopeless on that. I'll have to lean in and, well, what happened? You saw what happened. I don't know why I did that. I ended up being only 5'5". It's honestly embarrassing in its own right. Whoa, hey. Wait. Why'd you pick me up like that, though? Well, I say pick up like you did. Put me down, you didn't put me down. Why are you holding me? Oh. I see. God, why is he doing this? I know. God, it's the same feeling as Olio, except a little bit less horny. God, why is he holding me like this? Can you Put me down, please. Thank you. Okay, can I know I just asked you to put me down, but can you bend down a bit so I can tell you something? I know I don't live with anyone else. It's just like, I don't know. I just, like, I need to be honest with you. When you helped me out, Oliel, when you pulled me out, I mean, I kind of felt, well, first of all, I felt really safe, actually, but secondly, I kind of felt weird, like, in a, I guess you could say good way. I just, I just felt something in me when you did that. I don't know, and the first thing is, I kind of felt it again after you picked me up, and I just, it's like a comforting feeling, but at the same time, what, hey, why are you doing that again, man? Oh, because it's something that okay, fine, fair enough, I do like when you pick me up, I didn't realize that till now, but can I do something else that I also like with this in mind? Alright. Please forgive me for this. Oh, fuck. I think I leaned in there a little bit too hard, sorry. No? That's fine. That was an alright smooch. Well, thanks, I guess. Jeez. I don't know, why did I do that? I'm just now realizing, why did I do that, actually? Fuck, I'm sorry, the moment felt right, but now that I'm looking at the situation, I'm sorry, okay, what I did, I'm sorry, I didn't want to make things weird, I take every moment, okay, alright, I guess you're saying it's alright? Uh, wait, wait, I'm just realizing, do you love me too, actually? It didn't hit you till now that you did? Well, same with me, kind of. I didn't realize I loved you like that until you had pulled me out and picked me up. So, alright, interesting. So, wait. Okay, first of all, important question. This means you want to start going, like, next level-ish? Like, do you want to try to find a place to eat out later, or... Yes? Alright, cool. I was thinking probably, okay, I know the place isn't the most fanciest place, but... Why'd you tap me on the head for that one? Oh, I don't want to, you don't care for a fancy place. Okay, my bad. Well, still, as much as it's not ordinary to go to for a full state, Texan Steakhouse? Or was it, oh, I mean, it's Outback Steakhouse, whatever it was. Texas Outback, whatever steakhouse it was, you want to go there for the full state? Okay, good. I know it's heavily meat related, but well, I'm kidding. I really like meat, but anyway. Secondly, a less important question. Well, I say not important, but it's a situational thing. Sorry, I forgot I was gonna say for a second. What's the laundry situation? Like, are you gonna still do it, or do I have to do it because of all of this? No, you're still gonna handle it. Are you sure? Most of it's my laundry, as I said. I don't know. Like, yeah, help me with it, but like, are you sure you're gonna just do it yourself? Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. I was gonna say, it'd be kind of weird if I had to, or if you had to do it by yourself, even though it has my stuff in it, but anyway. So, yeah, steakhouse? Alright, can you put me down so I can get my thing situated? Okay, thank you. This is a rather nice turn of events. Yeah, really, it is. It is. Alright. The least I can do is drive us there, if you don't mind. Alright, cool. Thank you. Why am I saying thank you? Never mind. I'll start getting things sorted. My keys. There they go. Alright. I'll be in the car waiting.